Okay, welcome back, class. Nice to see you again. Welcome, welcome. Where is Fong? Sam and Sunny. Oh, there is Fong now. Sam. Okay, let's start. Hannah. Number 8. The box was under bed. Correct. Next, let's have Sunny. Number 9.
Number 9 is inside the box of the bananas and the
A moon fruit tree. A moon fruit tree. Now let's have Sam. Tom goes.
Tom go to the la.
Tom goes to
Tom
look at the
tree when he
he's
when he
when he's
when he
sad or unhappy. When he's sad or unhappy. And then he is happy again. Now that is the answer. Let's move on to part 6. Read the text, choose the right words, and write them on the lines. Now look at the picture. Many different kinds of bats live in the jungle. Most of them eat fruit or fish. You do not often see, Hannah, you do not often see where your answer here. Oh, here, number 1.
Because
The answer, bats, because in the day, they sleep. They always fly at night to find number 2, Fong. There. Fong, number 2.
Number 2, they always fly at night to find
To find
their food. There.
their food. Many people think bats cannot. Number 3, Sam.
Many
Look, watch, or see. Number 3.
people think that could not
Bats
find
cannot see.
see.
But fruit bats have very good eyes. They can find fruit on trees at night. Pine bats only have a Sunny. Have a Sunny.
What?
Have one baby. The mother carries her baby for 8 weeks. and then it learns to fly. Wow, for only 8 weeks, the bats can fly. Very good. Oh, this is the exam. Oh, Hannah is happy now. Why are you happy now, Hannah? Wait, let's play games. Let's play a games class. Okay, let's learn plural nouns. So we can help also to improve our plural nouns. What is plural? With S, ES, and IES. Plural. Okay, please wait. Now let's have this game. Plural for Sunny, Sam, Hannah, and Fong. Now choose your number, Sam, Hannah. Choose your number
One.
now.
Number 1.
1. What's the correct plural form of watch? Watch is which one?
What is watch?
The plural of watch. If the watch is more than 2, we add, if plural class, we add ES, S, or IES. Okay, the answer class is watches. Next, Fong and Sunny. Fong and Sunny, what number, my dear?
2. Number 2.
2. Let's check. Go to the first place. Next, Hannah and Sam. Hannah and Sam.
Sahur.
Tuk sahur. Hannah and Sam.
Is number 5.
5. What's the correct plural of brush? A, B, C, or D? What letter, Sam? Sam.
Yes.
What is the correct plural of brush?
Letter C.
Letter
C.
D. Yes, correct. Next, Sunny and Fong.
Number 3.
What is the plural of roof?
C.
Oh, no. D. Next, Hannah and Sam.
Number 11.
11. Take 15 points to team 2. Okay, your turn. Your turn. 4. What is the correct plural of party? Oh no, you don't know what is plural and singular?
I.
No.
C.
No.
B.
D. Parties. Next, Hannah and Sam.
Number I.
Number 8. What is the correct plural form of tooth? Tooth.
Kannya ulang. Sutra.
The answer is Hannah and Sam.
B.
Correct. Next, let's have Sam and Sunny. Sunny, where are you, Sunny?
Yes.
What is your number?
7.
What is the plural of leaf?
Is live. Is I.
Correct. Next, Fong and Sam.
Comment.
Sam and Hannah.
Number 10.
10. What is the plural for radio? Oh.
Number is
Radios? No.
D.
No.
D.
Letter C. Okay, next. Fong and Sunny.
Number 6. Number 6.
6. Spell the plural form of foot.
Feet.
Feet. Next, Hannah and Sam.
Number 40.
What's the correct plural form of fly?
Fly.
Flies. Okay, correct.
Fly.
Next. Sunny, where are you, Sunny?
Na.
Fong.
9.
Swap points. Oh. Next, Hannah and Sam.
16.
Okay, 16. What's the correct plural form of mouse?
Shell. Mice. Mice.
Correct, Hannah. Mice. Fong.
Number 12.
What is the correct plural of foxes? Is foxes. Next.
Number 15.
What is the plural of toy?
Toys.
What letter?
A, B, C, D.
C. Correct. And the last? What is the plural for photo?
Photo. A, B, C, D. D.
No.
C.
No.
No. E, B.
No.
I.
Okay. Congratulations, Fong and Sunny. Now let's have a reward. Let's have a reward, class.
We Charlie Matila, we Lila, Bombolino, Crackino,
Active in listening, active in reading, being on time, doing your task, good student, helping others, on task, participating, persistence, and working hard.
Yeah, working
Top
hard.
one will be, let's give for Hannah. Top one. Top two is for, okay, Sam. Top two. Top three is Fong. And top four is for Sunny. Very good. Okay, class. I'm sorry, I need to go early so you can rest. So we can have a class for Thursday, okay?
Bom bom.
See you next class. Bye. Love you. Love you, Fong. Love you, Sam. Love you, Hannah. See you on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, okay? Love you. Bye-bye. Good night, Sam. Love you, Fong and Hannah.
Goodbye, teacher.